Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how you can add friends in chess.com. If you want to expand your friends list or just have regular people you can play against on a daily basis, there are a couple ways to do so. One way is just to go to your game history. So scroll down and click on your game history and just choose whatever game you played against other people. For this example, if we want to just add this person right here, as you can see here, if we hover our mouse, it's going to be highlighted with a brighter white. If we remove our mouse, it's going to be like grayed out, right? So if you want to, for example, choose to add this person, this player, all I need to do is click on their name. This pop-up will appear, and you can just click add friend like so. There we go. And then you will be able to send a friend request to that person. Now, whether or not they're going to accept is up to them. So that is pretty much how you can add a friend on chess.com. Another way to do so is go back to the homepage and click on more, click on community, right? And then you can just go to clubs and just choose a club you want to, just join. And through that club, you can add the other club members of that club so you can play with them on a regular basis. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.